Okay, so hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on these waves with this Mark Hill Pick and Mix Mermaid waver. It's just turned on so it's boiling hot. And I wish I had a wee stand here to protect the carpet from burning, that's why I have to hold it. But I'm going to just section my hair, put this down, section my hair off. I have to spray some heat protectant in it, so I'll show you that quickly before I turn it very quickly. It's this curtain heat by Swatchcraft, I think. Yeah, it is. I'm just going to use one of my bobbles for tying my hair up. So just section it off with my fingernails. If you can see, excuse the back of that, just like that. I hope you can see that, but let's just lay around like that. I'm just tying it up in a bun just to keep it out of the road. So I'm really conscious of trying not to burn my carpet, so just spraying a little bit just for more extra security into my hair, just for 2 sprays. So 1, 2. Then I'll just take my brush. This is like a battered brush from Sally's a few years ago. It's stained and everything, but what can you do? That's brush free. Now time to just wave the hair. Okay, so what I have to do with that section, it's so small, I like to just take it, split down the middle. You see, I'm trying to do it as quickly as possible because I have to be somewhere. Going out for lunch with a family, so I need to hurry up. Hey ho, it's just me. Right, so what I like to do is I like to get it as close to the root as possible and then clamp it down. I'll even come closer so I can see what I'm doing myself and show you. And then release, go to there, hold it, release, go to there and hold it. I typically hold my sections placed for 5 seconds and then I release it, and as you can tell, a nice wave. This is getting tangled. Right. I love how long that lead is in the Mark Hill waver, but I don't like how it gets so tangled. Right, so same thing, and I'm trying my best not to flip and burn my ear off, but what can you do? Okay, so that part's pretty much done. What I'm going to do, because it takes me so long and I don't want to run out of battery, sorry I'm flashing there, I don't want to run out of battery on my iPad, and yeah, battery and memory, that's what it's going to say, because the battery's running low too. So I'm going to take it off camera, do the rest of my hair, and I'll come back once I've done the top and have one section to do, like a wee piece, and I'll show you what I do for top. So yeah, I'll do that now. So I'm back. I've done my whole hair. I decided not to do the top section on camera, but I did turn this off so you can tell that I do have an on and off switch. I turned it off because I'm done using it. Done the same type of wave pattern, the same way like that. I have done the waves in the past like that, and I will do another tutorial with them like backwards like that because they look a bit different. These are more the classic Mermaid waves, but the other ones are more bigger, bouncier ones, and I'll do that next tutorial doing this waver. It's brilliant, I definitely would recommend it. So as you can see, I'll come back, and I don't have the smoothest in the back, so excuse that. I'm working on it, I'm trying, but yeah, so that's what it looks like. They're absolutely beautiful, bouncy, like mermaid waves. I did do my fringe too, my wee side fringe, because I don't like to have that straight with like waves. I just prefer to have it all like one uniform hairstyle. So yeah, I'm going to have to go now. Well, I'll tell you, this is amazing. I do have different separate heads for this thing. You can just twist the heads off. I'm not going to do it now because it's boiling hot. But you can, there's a wee thing at the front of it, if you can see there. It has like a locking system, if you can see that. So you twist it to unlock it and then you put out the thing, the wee attachment. then you put it all on if you want to. So I do have the wee wicket waver. I have done a video on that, reviewing that and doing a tutorial on that one, so I'll be up before this one I believe. But they do have different ones. They have straighteners, they have like the big barrels, small barrels, everything. So yeah, they have all different, loads of different attachments, and you can buy wee travel bags on their Mark Hill website. You can get these in Boots store and online, and I think other websites do it too, but those are the two main ones I know where I got them from, where I know they do them. But I did get this, my husband got me this for my 30th birthday, but I did buy the bubbly wicket waver attachment last week from Boots in town, and yeah, they have just a load of selections, and I am going to get my hands on the what's it called again, chopstick curler, and then the zigzag waver. I can't wait, and some more I'm sure in the future. These are brilliant and they're so affordable. The handles, this is what these are called, like the handle and the lead, that's around £19. The attachments are around 17, so they're quite affordable. They're not the cheapest thing, but they are really affordable because they're good quality as well. They're not too cheap, but they're not too dear, but they are on the more affordable section, so they're good for like people who are on a budget and they want to have one handle, like one tool with all different attachments. Just works out really well. And I love the way it's like nice pink and like an orangey gold colour, and the barrels are black. I love that. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say about it now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.